Hey guys, my name is Kelsey. I'm an esthetician in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and here's a day in my life. Just doing some restocks, unloading some stuff from a market that I had went to, and restocking it on my shelves. Here I am opening up the shop for the day. Setting up my wax spot for the day. I have 6 wax clients today, but you'll also see some facial stuff in between, so. Sitting down, doing a little bit of social media, checking my email, ordering supplies, and checking my clients for the day. I am super obsessed with the Tickled pink wax from Sexy Smooth Wax, and obviously you can tell everything of mine is pink, so obviously I had to go with this pink. It's literally so wonderful. My favorite wax from them. I also don't just wax. I do corrective skincare and facials, and a goal of mine is always to make my clients feel so relaxed, so comfortable, and also leaving with their skin looking so beautiful and healthy. And here's just a little bit of that. and she left with absolutely stunning skin this day. One of my most common facials that I provide are Dermaplane facials, and they're just simply one of my most favorite services that I do here besides waxing. And I'm mainly just a waxer and doing corrective skincare, but a Dermaplane is literally the best facial you can ever get. It makes everyone's skin look so wonderful at the end. Being a solo esthetician starting out from school really was something that I knew that I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to work for myself. I knew that I didn't want to go and work for someone else. I really enjoy my activities outside of work, and this was just being able to give me the freedom to do that, but also doing something that I love. And I just find that during these times right now, that's something hard to come by, and so you really should do what makes you happy. Big thing that I find that I struggle with is finding clients, though, being solo, but I work really hard on doing